And just to quickly address, over the last 24 hours, there's been a lot of news about me. You know, there's been a lot of news about me on social media, and you know, there's a lot of news about me on social media about this and about that. I just want to state some facts clear, very good facts clear. I heard that number one, that I was involved in real estate and this and this. So number one, I do not have, and anybody that has contrary evidence can produce it, any property in Nigeria. I do not have any property. The only property I have in Nigeria was the one that my late parents bequeathed to me. There's no property that I bought that I have in Nigeria. Secondly, I do not sell or buy. I do not sell or buy properties. I'm not in that business.
Nigerian pastor Bolaji Idowu, who is also popularly known as Next Level Prayer Conference Pastor and the lead pastor of the Harvesters International Christian Center (HICC), was arrested and detained for alleged real estate fraud and money laundering. According to Sahara reporters, who obtained the information through a top source, says the case emanated from one of his pastors who duped several people in a real estate scheme. The police investigation showed that several billions of naira in the scheme were traced first to Pastor Bolaji's church account and later to his personal account. The source added, NaijaNews had earlier reported that Idowu would spend the night in the custody of the First Criminal Investigation Department (FCID) of the Nigerian police over the allegations of 1.5 billion naira fraud. Meanwhile, an update shared with Sahara reporters by top police sources late on Tuesday evening disclosed that Pastor Bolaji was released late into the evening after big pastors and President Tinubu's Aso Villa intervened in the matter, and he has been asked to pay back the money traced into his account in 2 weeks, the authoritative source said. Pastor Idowu started the church in December 2003. Over the years, it has expanded locations across Nigeria, the United Kingdom, and the United States of America. His church, Harvesters International Christian Center, attracts over 70,000 worshippers both online and on-site. However, Pastor Idowu dismissed widespread social media reports claiming his arrest and involvement in real estate fraud and money laundering. Addressing the matter during his popular Next Level Prayer program on Wednesday morning, Pastor Idowu categorically denied the allegations, emphasizing his lack of involvement in the real estate business. Over the last 24 hours, there has been a lot of news about me on social media. I just want to state some facts. He said, I heard that I was involved in real estate. Firstly, I do not have any property in Nigeria. The only property I have in Nigeria is one everyone knows. Secondly, I do not sell or buy properties. I'm not in that business. The pastor further addressed claims concerning financial misconduct, inviting scrutiny into his financial dealings. My accounts are public accounts. Go and check if I ever received billions into my accounts, he stated. We'll continue to monitor the story closely for more news updates. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.